Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best napkin holder that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 10, we have the simplehuman Quick Grip Napkin Holder. Are you looking for a simple but functional product? Take this napkin holder by simplehuman. With a simple but practical design, this napkin is aimed at making your life easier. This item features a weighted tension arm, which helps keep your napkin neatly in place and makes sure the holder dispenses one napkin at a time. Apart from the bottom being made of rubber to prevent slipping, the holder's remains are constructed in stainless steel. Indeed, there are thousands of dinnerware and cookware made of stainless steel, from the efficient pot to cook pasta to kitchen knives. And all of them deliver durability, sanitary, and convenient use. Moving on at number 9, we have the Home Basics Paper Napkin Holder. If you are not in good financial condition, there is no need to invest too much money but still a chance to have a good product like Home Basics Paper Napkin Holder. On the other hand, if you are a big fan of cookies, you can also buy a functional cookie jar from this brand. Overall, their products will surely satisfy you. I love this napkin holder because it can be used for any type and size of a napkin, from square to rectangle and triangle, whether cloth or paper. The napkin holder is constructed of heavy-duty steel. It has two classical arch sides to keep the napkin stacked vertically in a way easy to grasp. At number 8, we have the OXO Good Grips SimplyPull Napkin Holder. OXO is a popular brand with countless products to aid your cooking. My favorite salt grinder that I have used for years is also from this brand. But today, I'd like to introduce another amazing product line, a napkin holder. Let's impress your guests with this amazing napkin holder standing on your dining table. The item has a contemporary look with a minimalist design coming in the silver and black color. When it comes to the function, this holder features a weighted arm with a rubber grip that keeps your napkins in place and allows you to take one napkin out without pulling a bunch of papers out at once. The arm can open wide and stay open for easy, one-handed refilling. Even better, it folds neatly into the body for compact storage. At number 7, we have the Boston International Garden. This napkin holder by Boston International is a metal caddy with a perfect size for standard 8.5 by 4.5 inch guest towel. It is made from sturdy metal and has a nice depth to hold 32 napkins at a time. There are also ball feet to keep napkins raised off table or countertop surfaces, preventing them from getting dirty from spills. The traditional garden gate design with an antique brass finish adds a touch of elegance to your dining space. This napkin holder is suitable for sitting on a dinner table or bathroom sink as a hand-washing valet. At number 6, we have the Spectrum Diversified Euro Round Vertical. Are you looking for a sturdy holder for large napkins? This cast iron stand by Home Basics is an excellent option to be considered. It comes with a simple design of two clean, smooth circular lines as the sides and two bottom bars for the base. Despite this simplicity, the holder is strong enough to withstand the weight of medium to large-sized tissues without tipping, wobbling, or toppling. When it comes to decorative purposes, the holder's fresh and contemporary look will effortlessly match a variety of kitchen styles and color schemes. At number 5, we have the Home Basics Cast Iron Fleur de Lis Napkin Holder. Cast iron seems to be a famous material for making like many versatile and high-rate sauté pans. But how about a napkin holder made from this material? Indeed, this freestanding napkin holder is what you need for an outdoor buffet on windy days. Its heavy cast iron material promises reliability and durability. The unit comes with rubber feet designed to ensure a firm grip and prevent scratching your countertop surface. The base is also elevated to keep your napkins from touching the surface, so they are clean and dry with every use. This holder gives a decent look to your dining space, particularly if you pair it with other items featuring the Fleur de lis design. There are 4 lovely colors for your choice: black, red, white, and turquoise. At number 4, we have the MyGift Black Metal Upright Napkin Holder. I bet you will love this napkin holder at first sight. It looks beautiful with an intricate cutout design of a tree with birds perched on the branches, particularly when it holds plain white napkins. To the owners of small kitchens, this holder is the best choice, because it holds a thick stack of napkins without taking up too much space on the counter. Many users think that it is too lightweight and slim to stand in windy conditions. In fact, I have used it outside for BBQs a couple of times, and it stands up quite nicely. At number 3, we have the Home Basics Scroll Collection Bronze Flat Napkin Holder. This Home Basics Scroll Collection napkin holder stands horizontal, so it holds a good amount of napkins without tipping or toppling. There is a weighted pivot that keeps the paper stack neatly in place without decreasing the ease of dispensing one or several napkins at a time. The design is simple, but the rustic bronze finish makes it look warm and inviting on your wood table. It is well made, functional with strong weld points, and smooth tips. At number 2, we have the Spectrum Diversified Euro Holder. Spectrum Diversified Euro Weighted Napkin Holder is created with the conception of a simple and clean aesthetic in mind. It's a well-made and effective napkin holder at a very reasonable price. The holder is a sturdy steel frame fished with a nickel coating, which makes it clean and reliable. The weighted pivoting arm works perfectly to hold down the napkin stack and consistently dispenses only one napkin. The item is lightweight, compact, and easy to clean, so it is very suitable for outside dinners on a picnic or camping. And finally, at number 1, we have the mDesign Modern Decorative Paper Napkin Holder. His unit is an attractive napkin holder with well-machined detail and a durable rust-resistant finish. Measuring 3 by 6 by 5.5 inches, it holds as many napkins as your family needs and as many sizes of napkins as available on the market. What is really useful is its relatively big ball feet, which raises the holder off the surface, so the napkins are always dry and clean. The unit's compact and strong construction make it easy to be used throughout the home. On kitchen counters, dining tables, patios, decks, balconies, or picnic tables.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.